has like, it said on the radio 100 kilometers an hour of wind. It's so cold. Poor Victoria Duffield. Must not be used to it. Oh my god. I'm like crying from coldness. Awkward. Save me. And I have to walk home. Oh my god. Ew. Weather. Ugh. Montreal. Oh my god. Montreal. From doing this. Okay, well, my lungs hurt from breathing. My lungs hurt from breathing. Yeah. And I'm tired, so this is like the best day. Good thing to do. Cold. Up to 100 kilometers of wind an hour. Are you fucking serious? Are you serious? I'm not coming down, and I need a Kleenex. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Before I couldn't walk, I was like walking backwards. It's snowing. No. Snowing with wind. Before you were like, I don't know what. Everything was like, oh my god. I can't even say anything without wind interrupting me. I don't even know if you can hear me or the wind. Can you hear the wind? That'd be so cool if you heard the wind. You'd hear like, you could probably hear it. And there's like water everywhere and there's snow and I just can't walk this. And I've been walking here for like an hour. No, I've been walking for like half an hour for now. I have a headache. My lungs hurt from breathing. I sound so weird, but seriously, they do hurt from all this pressure and stuff and shit like that. I think I failed my English exam. Montreal is the most bipolar thing in the world. My hair is like messed up and stuff. It's actually most bipolar. There's like huge water stuff. I don't even know if you see this. Whatever, it's huge. Now it's snowing. And before it was raining, and plus the 100 kilometers of wind an hour. Not the best. I don't know why anyone would live here, to be honest. I'm not living here when I grow up, and going somewhere for the summer, so I'm not gonna stand here in the bipolar weather. My hands are like breaking off. Well, I'm home in like 10 minutes now. I've been walking for 40 minutes. Like tired peeps. Oh my god, so and I see the wind. Like, I don't know what it's like. It's probably just I see the wind. That's actually so cool. I see wind on the floor. I don't know if you can see this actually. Can you see anything here? I can't see my screen. I don't even know. Okay, well anyways, I see the wind here, so it's cool. Victoria Duffield is here. During school, I just had the urge to scream Victoria Duffield. My friends started laughing at me because they didn't tell me a teacher was right behind me, so I just screamed Victoria Duffield at the top of my lungs. It was so awkward. I started laughing, but it was so worth it because Victoria Duffield is amazing. Okay, well yesterday, Shiraz kind of stole my Victoria Duffield VIP pass. I'm like, dude, I know you love her and stuff, but she's bad. Well, that VIP pass is mine. Yeah, I already have a boyfriend. Never thought to say that. But yeah. That VIP pass is mine, bitch. I swear so much because of her. It's not even funny, it's actually sad. My hand. There's no snow almost. It's like practically empty. In Montreal, this is considered empty. I don't know where you guys live, but yeah. Yeah, man. Cold. I'm lost and alone, want to see you again, and I know that you feel the same.
Hello. So, I have stories, and I'm going to tell you about my day. Yeah, we did math first, and I literally felt like, during math, I swear Satan came for, like, a tea party or something, because I swear I felt his presence, and, like, my ear was killing, like, I felt like Satan, like, went into me. I don't even know, like, I swear, because, you know, like, math and Satan are, like, best friends. Like, well, yeah, so Satan came for the tea party too early, and we were still in class, and I felt his presence. I'm not even kidding. And like then we had English, and in English was it I don't know, oh yeah, I'm trying to remember what we did. We got back our editorial articles. I got a C plus. I don't even know what the C plus is because we don't usually go by letters, but this teacher insists on putting letters just to confuse us because we don't even know what they are. Like honestly, once I got an A minus and I got sad, and she's like, no, it's good. I'm like, but why is there a minus? Like I'm like, and then she told me it was like, I don't even know, like an 80 or something. I was like, so why do you write a minus? Ugh, I don't even know. And then we were working on our literature circles for Mice Men, and we finished the book and we were discussing the ending, and I'm just like, no. And then we had Talmud, but we didn't because there's the French public speaking like finals kind of like, and then like the winners from each class went downstairs and they did it in front of like the school. Pretty cool. It was in French though, so yeah. And I wouldn't been into French class, so yeah. And during French class we were just working on our scrapbooks for like, we're doing these scrapbook things. And then we had lunch, and I missed the student council meeting because me and my friends, we were in the cafeteria the entire time. And I really wasn't feeling well, and then we had science, and I was just like, we were on Camilla's Tumblr. Like, what else do we do in science class? We just chill on Camilla's Tumblr. Then we had Hebrew class, and I was so out of it. I really wasn't feeling well. I was just like, what's going on? And finally, now I'm home. And like yesterday, I did like the surgery on my mouth. Okay, whatever. Like, it's complicated. I'll explain it. Wait. So I have this cold sore in my mouth, okay? And so I'm like to my mom, how do I get rid of it? How do I cure it? Like a few days ago, someone said to like put salt water, but that didn't help. So I asked my mom, how do I cure it? She's half asleep. She's like, poke it. I'm like, what are you talking about? So I tried popping it. Okay, sorry, I'm being very descriptive. I tried popping it. That didn't work. So then I sterilized a pin, and I was like doing surgery on my mouth. But I swear like I cut a nerve or something, because like my entire bottom part of my face, like all bit, no more of like from here, no more like from here to like here. Feels like numb, and it hurts. Like I can barely talk. Like it hurts to talk. It, like I swear I cut a nerve or something. Like I'm not good at surgery. I shouldn't be a surgeon. Like I swear. Also in science class, I forgot to say that. Okay, so what happened is like she's listing problems. She's like, and Harry did this, and everyone just turns to me and she's like, I was trying to get it on tape, but I couldn't get it on tape because I wasn't fast enough. Because I was lost. I'm like, what is she doing? She's like, I have to list them all. She's like, Harry, and then oh wait, don't tell me. Niall, and she's trying to list, and I realized, oh, she's trying to list all the One Direction names, and then I went crazy because yeah. And then also on Monday, like in theater thing, we what's it called?
Secret passage. Little secret room kind of type thing. I once opened that like 10 years ago. Yeah, because it had no doorknob, and I found a doorknob in the garage, shoved it in there, worked it up a little, taped it, then I finally opened it. After like 10 years of it being closed, I opened it, bro. I accomplished something in life, opening a secret closet door. Ta-da-da! What a great life.
Okay, so like in theater on Monday, we were doing dancing, right? And our choreographer's like, okay, so the girls are all gonna go in one direction, and the boys are gonna go in the other direction, and then we're all like dying of laughter. Like, oh, I forgot, I'm never ever gonna say One Direction again in this class. And we're like, oh, and this happened in science class. I still didn't watch this video over again, so just watch. Wait. Yeah, my friends dared me to fall, so I fell. And yeah. So, also, we were doing scrapbooking today, and you know, like I haven't gone through my scrapbooking stuff in a while, and so I'm just going through it, and look what I find. Wait, can you see? Yeah, truly, madly, deeply. Yeah. So, I just got ready. I'm going to my friend's house. There's a movie night for my grade, and we're working on a project. So, yeah.
Okay, so, you know how I'm vegetarian, almost vegan? Wow. I got a text from my dad saying there's chips, like French fries, in Hebrew. So, I come up. It's in the oven with meat. I'm like, I don't want it. He's like, okay. So I go back down. My mom goes back and she's like, what is this nonsense? I'm like, I don't want, you can't make me eat. It's like, you can't make stuff I don't like and then expect me to eat it. It just doesn't work that way. Nope. Nope. No. It's like, are you trying to kill me with meat? I haven't eaten meat in like 10 years. No. And I haven't eaten meat in like, I'm 15 now. I think 8 years? Around 8 years. Yeah, I turned vegetarian when I was 7. And I never ate cheese. Maybe when I was younger, like 2, but 2 was probably the last year I ate it. I didn't drink milk. Well, when I was younger, I did, but like past 4 or 3, I didn't drink milk. Yeah, I stopped eating yogurt at like grade 5, because I don't like yogurt. Yeah, tough life I live.
Harry. Just Harry. I wanted to bake him a cake. Well, because in school we're always trying to find excuses to have a cake, and we're all in the mood for a cake in school. And everyone's just like, why doesn't somebody make a cake? I'm like, you know what? Friday, it's Harry's birthday. You know what? I'll make a cake. No, I'm not I want to make cake for Harry's birthday just because everyone wants a cake. Not because I'm not going to make a cake for Harry's birthday because that's dumb, because we're just using an excuse to eat cake. And I'm like, I'll feed it to my posters, and everyone's like, ew, that's disgusting, then just don't make a cake. I'm like, okay. So I'm probably not going to make a cake because I'm too lazy to make a cake anyways, because I'm supposed to go to my friend's house. My dad's like, we're leaving. 2 hours ago we were supposed to leave, and, well, sup. Okay, I don't know, I'm just reading messages on YouTube right now, but the reason why I'm not answering them is because I like to have them just there, and don't ask, I'm weird, okay? Yeah. We decided if you don't have a camera, you can't do something cool. So I went to go get my camera. Hush, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna film this? From this? It's gonna fall, I feel it.
There, go.
We need to get
It doesn't see you. You have to get up a stair.
See me?
Yeah. Right? Good.
I'm gonna fall. Hi.
Ask us back. Good job. Ah, back. Back. More. Open your mouth. I see it like filling up. It's really cool. And that was me and Leia.
Me is cool.
So, yeah. I'm wearing my glasses because I'm writing small. Like, abnormally small. My cheat sheet. This is equivalent to what's on this page. All this. This whole thing. It's all on here. Word for word. Exactly. Bam. That's what I call impressive. I like chocolates. And I like chips. But I'm craving regular chips. I don't know why I bought dill pickle. They're delicious, don't get me wrong. But I'm just in the mood for regular jalapeno. Sorry.
So basically it was a movie night for my entire grade, and it was like pizza and stuff. We watched the movie John Q, and when me and 2 of my friends were supposed to go work on a project, we didn't. I'm just gonna edit the script, work on my French essay and stuff, because we didn't do it. And it also happened to be someone's birthday, and it's Harold's birthday tomorrow, and I just can't even, let's not talk about it. And oh my god, yeah. Fail. So I've been vlogging, like, you know, all a year ago today. Well, kinda no, I failed it the year ago today. Cause, like, I didn't look at the dates, I was just going in order. So, there's I skipped a bunch of days. So basically, I'm not going to be doing a year ago today until February 2nd or whatever. No, it's February 3rd, because I did like all the... Basically, a year ago today, the 31st, was I snuck into the library. And I vlogged it a few days ago, so yeah. Basically, just go figure it out. Because I failed.
Oh, so today for the exam, I forgot to wear my One Direction bracelet. So I was like, oh no, and I almost died. I screamed Victoria Douglas at the top of my lungs in school, and all my Bruce friends were laughing at me. And I'm like, what? I'm like, what? And they're like, a teacher was behind me. And they're like, Miss, they said her name, was right behind you. So awkward. Ox moment with Eden. I don't like braces. Can I have them off? Ew. My teeth aren't even straight, are they? No, they're not. Like, they didn't do anything to those braces. My teeth were already straight.
My classmates are gonna kill me because it's 11 p.m. and I promised them I would make them a cake because, yeah, I explained it, but like, I didn't make the cake, so they're gonna kill me. I'm busy editing yesterday's vlog, and when I'm done that, I have to upload it, then take a shower, then write my French essay and edit my drama script, and I guess I'm just gonna screw the other homework and just go to sleep, so yeah.
So basically, well, I just updated my phone to iOS 6.1. Oh yeah. And I'm still writing my cheat sheet. This is all I've got right now. I have to fill out the back and the front. Ain't gonna happen, but I have to. So if I have to sleep 3.5 hours again, then so be it. That's what I do every week. Every day of the week, except for one day, I usually fall asleep. But the rest, like 4 times a week, well, not included. Well, like on weekdays, I sleep for 3.5 hours. On weekend, I sleep for like 10 hours or 8.
No. I just got out of the shower, so I have this weird thing on my head, but it's past midnight. Leia's crying. Leia is currently crying. If you don't, no, you Harry, just Harry. That's all I'm gonna say. No, he's not 19. No. Dude, we're officially 5 years apart. Yeah. Okay, well, there wasn't a chance of us in a relationship. We were discussing this in school, actually. A lot of people's grandparents are like 20 years apart, JK, like 14 years apart. But yeah. Oh, Laura just helped me with my essay thing. What even? When did this happen? BRB going to drown in my tears. Okay. Just good night. I can't even anymore, so good night.
Well, I was in the middle of writing my cheat sheet. And I fell asleep. I guess my mind fell asleep, and I started writing something about a contract. I don't know. Like, what? Sign a contract? I'm like, what? Life makes no sense. I'm so tired, and it's 3 a.m. La la la. 3 a.m. and I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed soon. Yeah. Okay. Victoria Duffield. I love her.